This video was produced by Alabama View, a member state of the America View, a consortium dedicated to promoting remote sensing outreach, education, and research, funded by United States Geological Society, or USGS. Its contents are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not necessarily represent the official views of America View, the USGS, or other partners. The mention of trade names or commercial products does not constitute their endorsements.
Hello everyone. Today we will learn about sustainable waste management and how satellite images can help locate and monitor the landfills within the state of Alabama. In today's society, sustainable waste management is one of the most important environmental concerns. As population increases, people use more resources. They overconsume, creating more waste, which needs to be dumped somewhere. Thus, it is important that we manage and dispose our waste products responsibly and sustainably. All around the globe, dumping of waste in landfills remains a common management method, and not all are managed or regulated to minimize environmental effects. Now let's understand what landfills are. A landfill is a carefully designed structure built inside or on top of the ground in which trash is isolated from the surrounding environment. Landfills provide a variety of benefits, including conserving energy, reducing costs, and providing employment. Landfills are located, designed, operated, and monitored to ensure compliance with federal regulations. Landfills are regulated under Resource Conservation and Recovery Act, Subtitle D and Subtitle C, or under the Toxic Substances Control Act. But why do we need to monitor landfills? Landfill sites could potentially pose a threat to the environment if they are not managed properly and monitored regularly. They emit toxic greenhouse gases which are detrimental for local microclimates and clean air surrounding the landfill location.
Landfills can also be a threat to local wildlife. It is loaded with waste and can negatively impact human health. Though most of the waste in a landfill is recycled in some way, there might be a significant presence of non-recyclable water that will negatively impact the environment.
Now, in order to monitor landfills, it is important to first identify the location. We can ask the question, can remote sensing help in identifying landfill sites? In short, yes. We can access and monitor landfills with remote sensing using landfill surface temperature output from satellite images. Landsat satellite multi-temporal data is commonly being used for this purpose. Thermal infrared bands of Landsat images are used to compute temperature and compare for different time intervals. For an example, Qdice and Shatnawi have used Landsat images and artificial neural networks to quantify and predict landfill surface temperatures of Al-Aqadir landfill site in northern Jordan. Multispectral data can be used to map clays and iron oxides that are associated with contaminated groundwater, geochemical stressed vegetation, and even gaseous methane plumes escaping from the landfill. We still need more research in this area for the better assessment and management of landfill sites.
The classification method using maximum likelihood with ancillary data can be used to classify stressed vegetation portions, which can further be used to identify landfill sites. Multi-temporal Landsat image analysis can also be used to evaluate the impact and identify suspicious dumping sites of landfills using the land surface temperature analysis.
So, how many landfill sites do we currently have in the state of Alabama? There are currently 173 landfill sites in the state. These sites' management and maintenance could be significantly improved through adopting proven remote sensing methods. Finally, one thing that we must reiterate is that we have to manage and maintain landfill sites well to reduce the environmental impact. Remote sensing can be used extensively to locate and monitor landfills and manage waste in Alabama.
Do not forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Also be sure to check out our other videos if you're interested in remote sensing and its wide variety of applications.